Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason you're not able to install the iOS 18.7.9 update. So maybe you're trying to install this update, you're trying to do what you can do, but for some reason nothing is working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just making sure you have enough battery life saved onto your device. If you don't have enough battery or your phone's about to die, that is probably going to be one of the main issues that you're going to run into here. So try making sure that that's not the problem. You might also want to go through and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection as you're going through and installing this update. Sometimes if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or there's some issues there, that can also kind of cause some problems there too. So go through, make sure there's no problems, make sure there's no issues. That can also be another big thing. You might also want to go through and just make sure that within your iPhone storage, you're not almost running out of storage. So tap onto your general settings up here, tap on iPhone storage, and I'd recommend just checking out your storage at the top. If you're almost running out of storage, that could be another issue you might run into here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.